The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at time of challenges and hardships. This is rightly quoted by Martin Luther King Jr. Good morning, everyone. I, Ninad Arora, team leader of Team Covera. Pandemic of COVID-19 was one such challenge that we all encountered worldwide, but hope is the thing with feathers that preaches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words. Holding on to one's faith and hopes, we sailed through the stormy nights and learned numerous lessons from our life.
COVID-19 highlights how truly interdependent we all are. It highlights how reliant we all are on cooperation, compassion, and communication to successfully combat the virus. It also highlights that how important it is that we all work together for a sustainable recovery for our economies and our planet. Now I would like to call Mohan and Balaram to speak about impact of COVID-19 on our environment.
COVID-19's impact on the environment have been mixed. Although the pandemic resulted in improved environmental conditions, there have been other negative effects, some of which are obvious and others less so. In brief, the positive effects include improved water quality, reduced noise pollution and air pollution, improved air quality, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and in some cases, wildlife restoration. The negative effects include increase of medical wastage, haphazard disposal of personal protective equipment, and reduced recycling efforts. Thank you.
Lesson on environment we learned from COVID-19 pandemic has caused profound morbidity and mortality globally. Despite the present threat of COVID-19, climate change remains an ongoing threat to human health. Rising temperature and sea levels, increasing carbon dioxide levels, and more extreme weather are causing air pollution. Impacts on water and food supplies, degradation of the environment, extreme heat and severe weather events. These in turn causes mental health issues, cardiovascular and respiratory diseases through COVID-19 and climate change impact health in distinct ways. They are the key lessons learned from the COVID-19 pandemic that can be applied to the climate and health crisis, including the value of science and importance of effective risk communication. These type of pandemics are coming because of humans who pollute the environment in a selfish way to live their lives. So humans have main responsibility to keep the climate and environment healthy to make ourselves strong.
Thank you, Mohan and Balram, for a wonderful speech. Now, to speak about the impact of COVID on our education, I would like to call Ananya and Vaishnavi.
Initially, most governments have decided to temporarily close the schools to reduce the impact of COVID-19. Students are attending their classes through various education initiatives like online classrooms, video meetings, etc. But on the other hand, there are lots of students who didn't own the resources to attend the online classes. Many students are struggling to obtain the gadgets and the network required for online classes. Teachers who are all experts in blackboard, chalk and books and classroom teaching are really new to this digital teaching, but they are adopting the new methods and handling it like a pro to aid the students in the current position.
Indeed, school closures have compelled education system to quickly devise and apply different modes of remote learning. But access to this education technology differs across and within countries. Thus, an important question is to what extent will student learning and progression in school be affected by the global school closures? To answer these questions, a household survey was conducted in February 2021 in Chennai. Chennai is the largest urban center in Tamil Nadu and is India's sixth most populous city. Alarming, 1 in 5 children in our sample were enrolled in schools that do not offer any remote instructions during the school closures, and even among the children whose schools have begun remote instructions, only slightly more than half attending all the classes.
There are both positive and negative matters happening around us amid the COVID-19. Technology paves the way for education, thus helping the students and teachers to connect virtually through online classroom, webinars, digital exams, and so on. But the sad truth is that it is not available to many students all over the nation. Everything is happening for the well-being of the students so they can stay safe at home without getting affected by the deadly virus.
Thank you, Vaishnavi and Ananya. Now I call Roshan and Lakshya to speak about impact of COVID on our economy.
Hi everyone, this is Lakshish Nani and I'll talk about the impact of coronavirus on the Indian economy. So the impact of coronavirus pandemic on India has been largely disruptive in terms of economic activity as well as loss of human lives. Almost all the sectors have been adversely affected as domestic demands and exports sharply plummeted. From April 2020 to June 2020, India's GDP dropped by a massive of 7.3%. According to the latest national income, in the second quarter 2020-21 financial year, that's July to September 2020, the economy further contracted by 7.4%. The recovery in fourth quarter, that's October 2020 till March 2021, was still weak, with the GDP rising by 7.5% and 1.6% respectively. According to reports, in the post-independence period, India's national income has declined only 4 times before 2020. That's 1958, 1966, 1973 and 1980. And according to reports, 2020-21 financial year being the worst in terms of economic contraction. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Roshan and I'm gonna talk about lessons learned from the economy due to the pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic is not only a global health crisis, it is also a catalyst reminding the way we want to live going forward. From economic systems to sustainable development, decision makers have an opportunity to move away from the status and make positive changes for the benefit of the mankind. So this economy play a vital pillar. Yeah, the total cost of the global economy is not only forecast, but earlier this year predicted a cost of 8% GDP. Yeah, this pandemic has brought many questions in our minds, and some of it are what we are here for and what we are living, and many things. So what we wish to do in an opportunity. So many things arise in our minds. So this pandemic has taught us some painful insights in our life. This coronavirus really spoiled our lives. It also taught us the real value of life and family. This is the real value of family and how to spend time with the family. So this corona has impacted the value of living. Mainly the content is the value of living and the importance of living. So this pandemic has taught us many things. So that's all I think from this economy due to pandemic, the lessons which I learned. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshan and Lakshay, for a wonderful speech. Now, I would like to call Subikshan Zafrul to speak on the topic that how COVID has impacted us physically and mentally.
Hi, I'm Subiksha. So, my topic is the impact of COVID 19 on mental health. The outbreak of COVID 19 has affected the lives of sections of people and were asked to self quarantine in their house to prevent the spread of virus. The lockdown has serious implication on mental health, resulting in psychological problems including frustration, stress, and depression. In order to explore the impact of this pandemic on the lives of people, they have conducted a survey of 1,800 individuals of different age groups. According to the survey, they have the level of depression, anxiety, and stress level is increasing every month. And they found that many adults are reporting specific negative implications on their mental health, such as difficulty sleeping, eating, and increase in alcohol consumption. As the pandemic goes on, many people are experiencing situations such as loss of income, unemployment, and isolation. And I think these are the impacts regarding the mental health during the COVID-19. Thank you.
COVID-19 has taken a serious impact on our mental health. But fortunately for us, we have also learned a few lessons about how to cope with such situations. Environment plays a huge role in our mental health. The disruption in our day-to-day lives and lack of activity uh, affected how we ate to how well we slept. The pandemic also taught us that you aren't either a healthy or mentally ill person. Mental health is a wide spectrum on which we fall from day to day basis or from even hour to hour. You might have noticed your mental health slip a bit during stressful times and cause anxiety and depression. Anyone is susceptible to mental health problems. Celebrities, mental health experts have come forward and told us how COVID has taken a toll on the day to day lives and how it is affecting them mentally. It's important to have a wide variety of coping skills, and nowadays online therapies are also a legitimate way, and it provides you can take help from mental health experts, and uh, mental health is not only is an ongoing process. It's just like building your muscles. And the pandemic taught us that we also have day-to-day opportunities to build our mental strength and think more positive towards life.
Thank you guys. Now I would like to call Sean to talk about some important facts about COVID-19. During the time of lockdown, we have learned a lot of things. We came to realize that how much time we think we have, at the end of the day, what we came to appreciate is that we don't have enough time to spend in our goals and our work.